this video, I'll teach you how to download files from Google Drive link. Okay, so this is the link that was shared in the group to enable us download the files. Okay, so if anyone else has sent you a link to his or her Google Drive to download some files from there, then this video will help you. All right, so click on the link to open up the Google Drive page in your browser. The page is almost done loading. Okay, so these are the files that we were sent via Google Drive. In order to download the files, you need to right click on the individual files, and from the drop down options select download. Okay, I'll get rid of this and my file is done downloading. Okay, so you follow this simple step to download all the other files. Okay, so let me try one more time. Right click on the next one and choose download from the options, and you are done. Okay, so guys, these steps are as simple as that. In my browser, the files are arranged in a list, and you can actually change the layout of the items. So now they are in the list layout, and you can actually change them to the grid layout by clicking on the grid layout button on the right corner here. Okay, so click on it to get your items arranged in grid, and the process is still the same to get them downloaded. So you can right click on the individual items and select download to download the files. You need to follow these simple steps to get all the files downloaded onto your computer. Now, to get access to these downloaded files, you need to go to your default downloads folder, and I have got my download folder here. So these are the files I just downloaded from the Google Drive page. These are the simple steps you require to download files with Google Drive link.